Hello people, this is Sakshi and welcome again to the channel PNS. For those who are new here, I am a first year BSc Nursing student at GMC Bhopal. In this video, we are going to be discussing about the complete information for PNST. So this video will be in different sections. Like firstly, we are going to discuss about what is PNST and how the exam is conducted. In the next section, we will discuss about the eligibility criteria for PNST examination. The next part is for the application form and the process, after which we will discuss about the seat matrix and seat division for total students and the students that are going to select. In the last section of this video, we will discuss about the required documents for filling that application form of this examination. So this video will be in both the languages as Hindi and English. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. PNST stands for Pre-Nursing Selection Test. Yes, this is the exam conducted by MP government for the selection of BSc Nursing courses. Note one point that this exam is only for the female candidates. All the information related to PNST is updated on the official site of MP government, which is mppb.gov.in. This site will be linked in the description box below and you can check it out there. Moving to the next section, which is the eligibility criteria for giving this examination. The first eligibility criteria is of age. You should be at least minimum 17th year of age and maximum 30 year of age by the date of 31st December this year. Yes, आपको जिस भी एग्जाम में अपीयर होना है उस ईयर की 31 दिसंबर तक आपकी एज मिनिमम 17 एंड मैक्सिमम 30 होना चाहिए. The 5-year relaxation is given for the reserved categories of SC, ST and OBCs and for the widows. To the next eligibility, which is the percentage. Percentage should be above 45 and again the relaxation is given to the reserved category, which is 5% reservation. Moving to the next thing, you must have physics, chemistry and biology in your 12th standard. The next section, which is the application form fees for this examination. For reserved categories, the application form fees is 200, whereas for the general candidates, the examination application fees is 400. The next section is seat matrix. There are 50 to 80,000 people that are going to appear in this examination with you, and you should be in the 930 seats that are available for your selection. So the competition is very tough and you have to work very hard for getting your seats. So the 930 seats are again divided into two different types of colleges. The first one is government colleges and then the autonomous government colleges. So 540 seats are given to the government colleges, which are again divided into the 9 colleges, and then the remaining 390 seats are given to the autonomous colleges. 540 सीटों को again 9 colleges में divide किया गया है. These colleges are the first college is Rani Durgavati College, Jabalpur. Second one is BSc Nursing College, Ujjain. Third is BSc Nursing College, Devas. Fourth one is the BSc Nursing College of Satna. Fifth is the BSc Nursing College, Raisen. Sixth is BSc Nursing College of Datia. Seventh one is BSc Nursing College of Vidisha. Eighth is the BSc Nursing College of Jhabua. And the last one is BSc Nursing College of Mandsaur. In the autonomous 390 seats, these seats are also divided into 6 different colleges. These colleges are Women College of Nursing, Indore, having 120 seats, GMC Bhopal having 60 seats, GRMC Gwalior having 60 seats again, and the BMC Sagar, which is 60 seats again. The next two colleges are SSMC Rewa, which have only 30 seats, and the NSCB Jabalpur, which has 60 seats again. Now moving to the next section, which is the exam pattern and the marks divided in the examination. So the total marks of this examination is 150. ये 150 marks भी again 5 subjects में divided है. Moving to the next section, which is the exam marks division. So आपका exam total 150 marks का होगा, जिसमें हर question पे आपको 1 marks दिया जाएगा. Means the total questions are 150 with the 150 marks. ये 150 marks भी 5 subjects में divide किए गए हैं, which are physics, chemistry, biology, which is divided into the 2 sections, which is botany and zoology, and the last, which is English. Every subject carries 30 marks each and makes the sum total of 150 marks. Moving to the next and the last section is the document required for this examination and for filling the application form of this examination. So the documents are class 10th and 12th mark sheet for verifying your date of birth and the percentage. The next document is your caste certificate. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. This is Sakshi and I will catch you in my next video. Do like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.